Welcome! In this video, we'll answer some of the most frequently asked questions about drilling into different materials. Whether you're working with wood, metal, concrete, or tile, we've got the tips and techniques to help you get the job done right. Let's dive in. Can I use the same drill bit for different materials? No. Each material requires specific drill bits for optimal performance. For instance, masonry bits for concrete, HSS bits for metal, and brad point bits for wood. How do I avoid overheating the drill bit? Use lubrication for metal or concrete drilling and reduce drill speed for softer materials like wood or plastic. Drilling in short intervals can also help. What should I do if my drill bit gets stuck? Stop drilling immediately and reverse the drill to release the bit. If it's still stuck, carefully remove it by hand or with pliers. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on frequently asked questions on how to drill different materials, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.